Good evening and welcome to Al Khor. Welcome to the Al Bayt Stadium, the venue for this one. My name is Derek Ray and my commentary partner as usual is Stuart Robson. And both teams looking to get off to a flying start here on match day 1 for them at the 2022 FIFA World Cup. It's Argentina and they take on Saudi Arabia.
Well, thanks, Derek. This is such an important game. Both sides will be desperate to start this group well. Let's hope we see some great football today.
And so the battle commences. They need to get tighter. Salman Al-Faraj. Clean challenge. Possession given away, unfortunately. Well, as he hit that one, it looked as though it had a chance. Salem Al-Dossari. Well, harried into losing the ball. Really effective pressing. Paredes. Lo Celso. Went in strongly, decisively. Messi. And Messi in a good position. What can he and his teammates do? Sultan Al-Ghanam. Salman Al-Faraj. Marcos Acuna. Paredes. De Paul. Nahuel Molina. Messi. Rodrigo De Paul. Here's Marcos Acuna. Good use of the ball, but can they trouble the defence? In it goes! The opening goal in this contest!
Well, here's the replay, and just look at that power. That's almost unstoppable. That's a great strike.
Well, the ball is moving once more. How important will that opening goal prove to be? And in the perfect position to read it. Di Maria. Salman Al-Faraj. Salem Al-Dossari. Really getting stuck in. The first half here comes to an end. So the two teams have switched around and the second half is underway. Well, a good tackle. Giovanni Lo Celso. Messi. Now, who can he play it to? Happy to take on the shot. Well, how close was that? Inches away. Al-Malki. Well, we have 30 minutes to go. Well, possession lost, intercepted. Lionel Messi. Al-Malki. Abdullah Al-Malki. Salman Al-Faraj. Well, they keep working away, looking for passing lanes. Well, trying to take their time, but not enough care on the ball. That's useful play. Can he do it? Oh, and touched onto the frame of the goal. So a personnel change then.
Well, here's the replay. What a superb volley this is. He strikes it so cleanly and he times it perfectly.
So back underway with the lead standing at 2-0. Can he find the right pass? But nothing comes of it. Good. Can't miss, surely! Brilliant save. Just the clearance that was needed. Well, successfully cut out. Well, just 1 minute of time added on for stoppages here. And the referee says that will do it for this matchday 1 contest, and it doesn't get much better than 3 points for starters.
Yeah, it's so vital to get off to a quick start in these group stages. They'll be happy with the 3 points, but now they have to back it up in the next game. 6 points and you're halfway there.
Hello, great to have you with us. Welcome to the distinctive Al Bayt Stadium with its tent-like structure. I'm Derek Ray, ready here in the commentary position, and alongside me is the former Arsenal, West Ham and Coventry midfielder Stuart Robson. And it's second time around in the group stage for these two teams. It's Argentina up against Poland.
Well, Derek, these were very good in their opening games. Both look to be in top form. This should be a great game today.
Committed challenge, and Poland come away with it. Lo Celso, Molina, Martinez, Lionel Messi, really getting stuck in defensively. Is it going to end up being productive for them? Zielinski. And the first goal, always important. Lewandowski has bagged it.
Well, here's the replay, and it's a really inviting ball played into the box, begging players to attack it, and it's a comfortable finish in the end, which is made to look so easy. It's a lovely goal.
And the ball moving again. What sort of response will we see from them now? Well, he has the measure of his man. Can he finish? That is a really disappointing effort. Goodness me.
On that occasion, just didn't make the right sort of contact. Should be testing the goalkeeper from that sort of range.
Jurkowski. Krychowiak. Now Krychowiak. Jurkowski. Lewandowski. Ball back with Argentina now. Di Maria. Di Maria. This could square the game. No shortage of excitement. Level again. No wonder they're excited.
Well, as you can see, he's a dangerous runner with the ball. He has such good balance and pace. That's a top-class goal, isn't it?
So back underway following the equaliser. Lewandowski. It's a fine piece of attacking play from Lewandowski, and he has teammates to give it to. Foul there, free kick awarded. An alert intervention. Świderski. Oh, that's the kind of play you want from your defender. Good use of advantage by the referee. And the fourth official confirm it. Can they forge ahead? And he scored not once but twice. They simply cannot stop him. And no wonder he's enjoying himself.
Well, as you can see, he hits this with so much power, but just look at the follow-through. So athletic. That's a dynamic strike.
And with that, the first half draws to a close. Well, back underway as we reflect on the goal that's made it 2-1. Well, as they get the ball rolling again, interesting to see how this second half pans out. Good tackle. Useful. And he's made headway. It's got to be. Well, the keeper was called upon and delivered.
Well, he's so good in those 1v1 moments, and he's proved it yet again.
Smuggled away. Otamendi. And that was simply miles off target.
Well, I think he's right to go for power, but he's made the wrong connection, and it's really poor technique in the end.
De Paul. Giovanni Lo Celso. Martinez. Firing it towards goal. Well, the keeper had a lot of ground to cover. Splendid save. Will it be? Well, that's how to put in a clean tackle. Well, let's call it a meaty effort, but certainly not accurate enough. A real struggle to contain him. Chance to finish. And a goal to really bolster things for them. 2 in front.
Well, let's just take another look at this. Messi drifts past his opponent with such ease, and then what a strike. That's hit with such ferocity. Certainly no stopping that. That's a great goal.
Now they're going to alter things. Here's the substitution. Well, it's a tale of 4 goals in this match now. 3-1 it is. Now Lewandowski carries the ball forward. But can he produce from this position? Paredes. Oh, big chance. And the referees. Well. How many players would have the confidence to try that? Simply magnificent.
Well, here it is again, and it's a very good finish. He knows exactly what he wants to do, and he has the skill to back it up. It's an excellent goal.
Well, not too much defending going on in the grand scheme of things. 4-1. Effective challenge. Well, that's how to beat your opponent. And here he is, Lionel Messi. Well, the keeper had a lot to do.
Well, it's a great piece of goalkeeping. So quick off his line.
So almost at full time, and the home side very much in command. Stuart, what have you made of their overall performance?
Well, what an excellent performance this has been. They've had complete control for most of the game. Their movement, clever passing and energy have been a joy to watch. It's been a really good win for them.
Żurkowski. Krychowiak. Well, that's how to dispossess your opponent. And the final whistle, a victory for Argentina, precisely what their fans were hoping for, Stuart.
Well, Derek, what a good performance that was. They did most things right, and their attacking play was inventive and had a real cutting edge. That was a really dominant display from them today.
Good evening and welcome to Alcor. Welcome to the Al Bayt Stadium, the venue for this one. I'm Derek Ray, and adjacent to me in the commentary box is Stuart Robson. And 2 games in the books already for these 2 sides. This, their final group stage test. It's Argentina versus Mexico.
Well, you have to be consistent in these group games. You can't afford to have an off day, otherwise you're out the running before you know it. Anticipating a really good game, though, Derek. Hope we're not disappointed.
And he's broken free. A goal in the early stages. Precisely what they had been planning.
Well, I won't get tired of watching this. It's an outstanding bit of play. Just look how far he runs with the ball. That's a great goal.
So the match has restarted. 1-0 here. A very good tackle. Jimenez. Is this the moment? Oh, he's missed it!
Well, he'd be very disappointed with that. He should be scoring from there.
Good tackle, it'll be a throw. He's managed to lose his marker, but stout defending when it mattered. Now, options are plenty. Lozano. Oh, big opportunity. Oh, marvellous defending to deny him. Lionel Messi. And it's Messi going forward. What's he going to do next? Paredes. Just the clearance that was called for. Edson Alvarez. Rodriguez. Jimenez. Jesus Corona. And no-nonsense defensive clearance. Well, that takes the wind out of their sails. Great defending. Well, totalling up all the stoppages, we'll have 2 additional minutes. De Paul. Well, not quite what he wanted to do with the pass. A chance then for the respective managers to address their charges. It is half-time here. And they're making a change. Well, underway once more, and it's going to be fascinating to see what developments occur in the second half. Di Maria. Edson Alvarez. Really good challenge. Di Maria now. Can he take the chance? And a goal! That's his brace! They just can't keep him quiet!
Well, he puts it away really well, as you can see. But you'd expect him to score from that range. But they all count.
So back underway with the lead standing at 2-0. And there to intervene. Rodriguez. And so 30 minutes left for play in this one. Not the best challenge, free kick. Very alert defending to cut off the supply. Martinez. And with that, the attack fizzles out. Jesus Gallardo. Andres Guardado. And the emphasis is on creativity. And credit is due for that good piece of defending. Can he put it away? In it goes! To alter the arithmetic and give them hope that they can turn this round.
Well, here it is again. Just look at the quality of the cross. It's inch perfect. And then what a great finish as well. Good connection with the ball, leaving the keeper with little chance. It's a great goal.
So back underway at 2-1. Tight contest here. Messi. No worries for the keeper. Ten minutes to go. Jesus Gallardo. Now Guardado with it. Well-timed tackle. Good work from Argentina to win it back. That's how to rob them of possession. Messi. Herrera. And the final whistle. A victory for Argentina. Precisely what their fans were hoping for, Stuart.
Yes, Derek, there wasn't much in it, to be honest. Really competitive game with chances at both ends, but they probably just about edged it overall and deserved the result in the end.
Good evening and welcome to Alcor. Welcome to the Al Bayt Stadium, the venue for this one. I'm Derek Ray, and keeping me company in the commentary box today is, of course, Stuart Robson. And we have a very intriguing match to bring you. This World Cup round of 16 tie. It's Argentina against Denmark. Opportunity here, and a goal! 1-0, and what a fast start they've made to this game.
Well, here's the replay, and you can see Di Maria's cross is played into a really dangerous area, which makes it a fairly simple finish in the end. It's a really good goal.
So the ball rolling again, with the scoreline standing at 1-0. Daniel Vass. Skov Olsen. Clean challenge. And he's in. Oh, it was a crucial challenge. Oh, yes! It's gone in! And now a chance for them to revel in the moment.
Well, you have to admire this bit of play. Just look how he runs with the ball. He always looked in control, didn't he? That's a brilliant goal.
So the ball rolling again at 2-0. Messi. And Messi in a good position. What can he and his teammates do? And cleared away. Well, that is how to play advantage. Daniel Vass. Skov Olsen. Had to come up with the ball, and did. Pierre. As clean as a whistle, that challenge. Di Maria, and he might be through here. Oh, he saved it.
Well, excellent from the keeper. That's a really top-class save.
Well, the referee allowed them to continue, but now he's going to go back and hand out the yellow card, Stuart.
Well, he thought he was going to get away with that, but quite rightly, he's got a booking.
Well, it's a good deflection. That'll be a corner. A goal! They're absolutely racing away with this. 3 to the good now.
Well, here it is again. He's alive to the situation. He makes good contact with the ball, and he keeps it down. That's a nice-headed goal.
Blistering first half display, and just look at that score. And the challenge halts them in their tracks. Mele. Wonderful challenge, and a throw-in coming up. Delaney. Teammates available. Surely! Well, it wasn't. Oh, really sound goalkeeping.
Well, that's such a good save, isn't it? How did he keep that one out?
Well, it looked so promising, but a goal kicked the outcome. And so it is, the first half story has been written. Well, they've got things going again here, and I wonder what kind of second half we have in store for us. A very effective challenge put in. Messi. Messi, real chance. In it goes! Such a complete performance. 4 in front now.
Well, here we can see just how good this goal is. It has everything. Skill, pace and power. There was no stopping him there.
Well, as they restart the game, it's fair to say the gulf in quality between the two sides has been huge. Delaney. Kasper Dolberg. Really good challenge. And fine work by Argentina to recover possession. So half an hour remaining. Denmark have it back now. And Messi in full control. And Messi! And a goal to seal class in finishing. Just can't stop him today.
Well, here it is again. He goes past his marker so easily with just a drop of the shoulder, and then it's a wonderful strike from Messi. He hits it with such power, such pace, and great accuracy. What a goal that is.
Oh, my goodness, it's so one-sided. 5-0 in this match. And making headway. Chance to finish. There it is! A fantastic goal, and no wonder he's off celebrating.
Well, as we see it again, he was never going to miss that, was he? That's a really simple finish in the end.
A glut of goals. 5-1 it is. That's a well-struck pass. Happy to take on the shot. Missing the target by a tiny margin.
Well, it's a difficult skill to get right, but he almost pulled it off there. He made such good contact with the ball.
Well, the seconds are ticking away, and the home side in control. Stuart, what have you made of this?
Well, the result has never really been in doubt, has it? They've created so many chances with some brilliant attacking play. I think they've looked an outstanding team today.
It might be. And a decent save. Full credit. And there we have it. The referee brings this game to an end. Argentina have made it through to the last 8. Hello, great to have you with us. We're really getting down to the tension-packed part of this World Cup. We're at the quarter-final stage. My name is Derek Ray, and sitting alongside me here on the commentary position is Stuart Robson. And no shortage of excitement here. We're thoroughly looking forward to this one. It's Argentina versus the Netherlands.
Well, the hosts certainly go into this game as strong favourites. They have better technical players and can be brilliant when everything clicks. But their opponents are well organised, resilient and pose a threat on the counter-attack. Therefore, an early goal will be the main priority for the home team.
Klaassen. And the challenge halts them in their tracks. Plenty of form. Can he put them in front? Can they cover up? Martinez. Di Maria. Back with Martinez. Surely. Still possibilities. Well, a time for composure on the ball. Marcos Acuna. Di Maria. Plenty of support here. And the keeper did more than enough.
Well, here it is again. He's alive to the situation. He makes good contact with the ball and he keeps it down. That's a nice-headed goal.
So the ball rolling again with the scoreline standing at 1-0. Committed challenge. Now can they make something happen? Oh, he fancies his chances. Well, it wasn't all that far off the target.
Well, you're absolutely right. That was close, but the game is still very much in the balance here.
Well, very close to half-time now, and it's a narrow lead for the home side. Stuart, how would you assess what you've seen?
Yes, they've defended really well all over the pitch. Their work rate and discipline has been excellent. But any drop in tempo, and this lead could easily slip away.
Well read to put an end to that attack. And the fourth official confirming that we'll have one additional minute. Di Maria. Giovanni Lo Celso. That is that for the first half here. They've decided that now is the time to go to the bench. So the two teams have switched around and the second half is underway. A very good tackle. And support available. Well, nothing comes of it. It looked promising. Well, taken away. He won the ball. Klaassen. And here's Memphis. Must score! Martinez, and in with a real chance. And there it is, the goal they wanted for security. They lead by 2 now. They can breathe that bit more easily.
Well, as you can see, this is absolutely brilliant. He's such a good runner with the ball, and it's a great individual goal. Brilliant from him.
Well, they've decided to make a change. So the ball rolling again at 2-0. And that's very good refereeing to let the play flow. And that is the sort of tackle he had scripted in his mind. And out of play for what will be a throw to the Netherlands. Klaassen. Well, that's the kind of play you want from your defender. Good defending. Argentina doing well to regain possession. Oh, superb skill. And Messi! In it goes! A 3-goal cushion! This is astonishing stuff!
Well, here it is again. He goes past his marker so easily with just a drop of the shoulder. And what a clever bit of play it was from Messi, both with his movement and his finish. That's a nice goal.
Is this going to be a thrashing? 3-0 now. Messi. Lionel Messi in position. In it goes! Such a complete performance. 4 in front now.
Well, here's the replay. Watch how he goes past his man with such ease, and it's just a change of pace, and it's a great finish. He holds off the defender, keeps his composure, and finds the back of the net. It's a marvellous goal.
It's a massive lead, and it's very hard to imagine them losing it now. It's there for him. Oh, marvellous defending to deny him. Well, there is going to be stoppage time, but... And it's over now! Argentina will be in the semi-finals.
Well, it was all at a bit of a canter, to be honest. They dominated pretty much from the start, and it left the result in little doubt. They'll be full of confidence going into the next round.
Hello, a very good evening to you. This is the scene here at the Lusail Stadium, just to the north of the Doha city centre. I'm Derek Ray on the commentary gantry, and delighted to be joined as always by Stuart Robson. And we're just moments away from kick-off time in the World Cup semi-final. It's Argentina against Brazil.
Well, this could be an absolute classic, and the prize couldn't be any bigger, could it? A place in the World Cup final. Let's just hope we get two teams that want to play good football and come out and attack the opposition. This should be a good game.
He's given us away. Running with the ball confidently. Takes the shot. Well, he took care of it defensively. Well, a good tackle. Well, they've lost possession of the ball. Now, let's see what they can do here. Just failing to hit the target. Good effort, though. Casemiro. Fred. Neymar. Jesus. Well, they've lost the ball. Rodrigo de Paul. Lo Celso. Marcos Acuna. Support for Di Maria. Firing it in. Oh, terrific piece of goalkeeping. Still not clear. Well, they survived the attack. Out of play for an Argentina throw. And Fred winkling possession away from the opposition. Well, totalling up all the stoppages, we'll have 2 additional minutes. And with that, the first half draws to a close. So back underway here into the second half. Really getting stuck in. Martinez. Lionel Messi. And continues his run. The keeper was never likely to be in trouble then. Martinez. Top-class defending. Vinicius Junior. Can they nudge in front? And unable to keep the ball. Casemiro. Here's Vinicius. Squanders the chance for 1-0.
Well, that's a big miss. They should be leading now.
Rodrigo de Paul. Paredes. Lo Celso. And into the last 20 minutes. De Paul. Fluency of movement. But then the commentator's curse comes into play. Tellez. Neymar. Vinicius Junior. Marquinhos. And the search goes on for a winner. Time is tight. And in the perfect position to read it. Danilo. Now, who can he play it to? Keeping the opposition at bay with that splendid challenge. Substitution time it is here. Not quite the clearance they were hoping for. Oh, and he didn't miss by very much.
Yeah, he adjusted his body so well there. It's a great piece of skill, and it probably deserved the goal.
They cannot be separated here, and it's on to extra time. So away they go again, the first period of extra time, and it's legitimate to ask to what extent mental strength will come into this. Looking forward to it. Jesus. The timing was perfect, ball one. And he has options available. And it's Gabriel to take the lead. And tremendous individual skill. Trying to really get at the opposition here. Can he put them in front? And a goal! The opener in the semi-final. First goal of the contest.
Well, as we see it again, he was never going to miss that, was he? That's a really simple finish in the end.
So deciding to make a personnel change at this juncture. First period of extra time completed. 15 minutes left, and then it's a penalty shootout. Well, a dramatic moment near the end. Well, who is going to come out on top? Let's see if we find out in the second period of extra time. And a fine tackle. Casemiro. Neymar. Fred. Dybala. Messi. Messi. Opportunity it is. A goal! And surely that will do it. Electric scenes here. It's full speed ahead to the final.
Well, as you can see here, Dybala gets beyond the challenge of the defender, but there's still plenty for him to do. Under all sorts of pressure from the defender, he's just able to keep him at bay and finishes with aplomb. It's a great goal.
So back underway with the scoreline standing at 2-0.
And there goes the whistle. Music to the ears of all their fans. They've only gone and made it through to the World Cup final.
Well, it was certainly a tight contest for 90 minutes, but in extra time, that touch more quality came to the fore, and they deserved their victory.
Hello and welcome to a contest of colossal meaning. We find ourselves here just to the north of the Doha city centre, ahead of the 2022 World Cup final. My name is Derek Ray, and with me to provide expert analysis is Stuart Robson. And as you can imagine on this occasion, the atmosphere is building up nicely. It's Argentina against England.
Well, what an occasion for these two sets of players. A chance to be world champions. Let's hope the game matches the atmosphere. It should be an absolute cracker. I can't wait for this to start.
Di Maria. Can he take advantage? And how about that for a save? Not fantastic defending. Let's see if it helps the opposition. Foden. Might really be able to trouble them here. Clean challenge. Oh, yes! First to score in this final. And it could be highly significant.
Well, as you can see, this is absolutely brilliant. He's such a good runner with the ball, and it's a great individual goal. Brilliant from him.
And back underway. 1-0 it is. Oh, this could square the game. Oh, a goal it is! The equaliser in this final. What next in the drama?
Well, just look at this again. He's so hard to knock off the ball once he gets going. Of course the defending could be better, but that's a great individual goal.
So back underway. They've levelled it at 1-1 here. Nahuel Molina. Martinez. And scope for them to produce something exciting. Phillips. Foden. Declan Rice. Kane. Perfect challenge. Well, that's how to dispossess your opponent. Calvin Phillips. Mount. Ball's gone. Messi. So a deflection, and they can get ready for the corner kick routine. Well, he failed to get it away properly. And so it is, the first half story has been written. So back underway here into the second half. Kane. They've chosen to go through Harry Kane. Options around him. But they took care of the situation defensively. Lionel Messi. And a clear foul, but the referee letting the play flow. But a second foul after the first one, and so no advantage there. Free kick. No yellow card. Touched onto the woodwork. Well, goal kick, just as it was looking promising. Substitution time it is here. Calvin Phillips. Mount. Phillips. Effective challenge. And Mount. Rice with it. Martinez. Really good interception. Chilwell. Well, that's how to put in a clean tackle. Martinez. And teammates around him. Must take the lead here. Well, really rifling that one in, and he didn't miss by much. And time for the change now. Declan Rice. Mount. Calvin Phillips. 10 minutes left for play. Harry Kane. It's not lost on them what a goal could mean at this late stage. Rice. Can he put them in front? Argentina will get the throw-in. Well, they've decided to make a change. Otamendi. Well, the action is going to continue for a while yet. We will have 4 minutes of stoppage time. Well, couldn't find a teammate, unfortunately. And a throw-in to come. They cannot be separated here, and it's on to extra time. So back in business here, the first period of extra time, and it might well come down to mental fortitude. Who wants this more? Well, he's got past his man. Well, showing excellent judgment to intercept. Sterling. Mount. Sterling has it. And a goal here! Accuracy with the header. Just what they needed.
Well, here it is again. Sterling's cross really does invite somebody to attack it, and it's a comfortable finish in the end, which is made to look so easy. It's a lovely goal.
Time for a change then. Well, underway again. It's a narrow 2-1 lead as things stand. Di Maria, and will it be the leveller? And they've done it to square the game once again. Exhilarating.
Well, here's the replay, and just look at that power. That's almost unstoppable. That's a great strike.
So underway again at 2-2. Half-time in extra time, and still they are level. Well, extra time continues. We're into the second period now. Clean challenge. Gomez. Di Maria. It's with Dybala. Rodrigo de Paul. Well, it looked highly promising, but they got nothing out of it. Well, 5 minutes remaining in this, the second period of extra time. Can they nudge in front late on here? Well, a fantastic final, and it's going to end in the most nerve-shredding way possible with a penalty shootout. And so the penalty shootout about to commence, and as a player, this is, I must say, that takes real confidence. Brilliant. Can he keep his cool? And that is when you need your goalkeeper. His turn to try to convert from the spot. And he scores! He's gambled on direction and won. Can he remain calm? And that was an exquisitely taken penalty. You want a pressure cooker, this is it. He must score. Well, some people might have had doubts about his run-up, but the referee didn't see anything wrong. A goal here to finish it. That is the moment he would like to airbrush from history. Can he convert? In it goes! Well, it comes down to this. In, and they win. Goalkeeper beaten from the spot.